The Estimate Committee of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly on Wednesday inspected the Nongstoin Polytechnic at Maurusiar village in West Khasi Hills district. The committee, led by Nongpo MLA Marylebon's Aim as the chairman, visited Nongstoin to inspect the progress of the construction of the polytechnic, which was started in 2017. Speaking to media persons, Aim said that the committee had found out the reason behind the delay in construction work and said it was because of non-release of funds by the Ministry of Human Resource Development. Later, the committee also visited the new building of Sipsing Memorial Government Higher Secondary School, which is yet to start functioning.
Tekum ke komiti ke baka sorkar ke Meghalaya Legislative Assembly kala syania ini pengin budin kamtam ha jing ide ibat kini projek ki sakut kala bende ke jing sakut ka funding kala bende ka jing bombyang ki estimate teknik estimate komiti jing ni budin kenang ni kini projek ki ba sakut ke kam dasing iwan hang ni ru na kamta ban pentikna ba kani ke jing stang bante ya kani ka politik ni kulon ni Nongstoin ke deban ya be kambe ban sange kada de jing tu ni tinggi tempau jing sungu ya ka snong ya ki trai jakaru belai sobhai kani ke jaka untuk berstang kidon ki jing duna hang ni hang tai ha ka bede bat ke jing release ka pisa na po jong ka ministry jong ka human resources jong ka sarkar pedeng markane ke di lengba jong ka ne ka ministry bat ba menta ka kamaram ke jungi kolong bangin simkhya ke ne ka kam